Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I am making a very creamy baked mac and cheese. So easy. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Also, subscribe if you're watching Island Vibe for the first time. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my videos. Without further ado, let's make it. To get started, we're going to start by boiling our pasta. I am adding Creole seasoning with some salt in there. Once that comes to a boil, I am going to add my elbow-shaped pasta in there. Once it is nice and al dente, I am going to remove it, pour some cold water to it and set it aside just to stop the cooking process. I am going to start by melting unsalted butter. Next, I am going to add half a teaspoon of minced garlic in there. You can use garlic powder, but I just like the flavor of the garlic, so I like to use real garlic. I am going to let that cook for a little bit until it's giving me like a golden-ish color. Then I am going in with some flour, all-purpose flour. Just add that in there. We're going to cook the flour for about 2 minutes until all the raw flour taste is removed, and then we're going to add our evaporated milk. In this video, I use 1 can of evaporated milk. You can use whole milk. In my opinion, I like to use evaporated milk for all my pasta recipe. You might see it on all of my video if you're not new here, but if you're new, hey, welcome. Be sure you are subscribed. But I am going to season it with onion powder. I added garlic already, so no garlic powder added, with some dry mustard, with paprika. The paprika will give it a nice, beautiful color once it's done baking. And then I'll be adding some sour cream in there as well, with some cream cheese. Okay, that combination is the bomb. Okay, give it a try. Sour cream with cream cheese together in your mac and cheese. Oh my god, try it and let me know how you guys like it. Once that is well combined, I am going to add my cheese. I am using sharp cheddar cheese. No, I didn't buy the block, but feel free to use whatever cheese you like. So I am using sharp cheddar cheese with another type of cheese, which you will see in a few seconds. But I am going to let that melt it just like that. Then I am going to add my elbow-shaped pasta in there. They're nice and cooked. I don't like to overcook the pasta in the beginning because I am going to bake it, which going to cook it one more time. So I like to kind of slightly undercook my pasta. That's just something that I do. Okay, this is it right here before I even add the other cheese, and it's already getting cheesy. Like I said, this also is a creamy type of pasta. Now it's time for me to add the cheese. I am using mozzarella cheese. I just love the flavor of mozzarella cheese. That's why I am adding it, but I always add other cheese to my mac and cheese. But today I'm using just cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Mix that together and it's going to make it super cheesy. By now my stove is off. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I turn it off. And yeah, this is what it looks like so far. It's already nice and cheesy. And of course, we're going to add some more cheese on top of it. And also I added some salt, as you guys can see, because I feel like it needs some more salt. So I add the salt in just like that. Yes, it's already creamy, cheesy. I cannot wait to bake this. Okay, we're going to bake it on 350, guys, so stay tuned for that. All right, this is me adding some butter on the baking dish, and then we're going to pour our pasta. Just pour it in there just like that. Now it's time to add the cheese. I am using the same cheddar cheese that I used earlier. Just add it all over your mac and cheese. Okay, once I am done, I am going to add some paprika on top of it just for some color and some garnishment. Just add a little bit of paprika. That's very optional. You do not have to add it if you don't want to, but this is what it looks like. We're going to bake it on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it comes out, oh my gosh, this is it, you guys. It's so cheesy, so cheesy, so delicious, and it's very creamy. You know, we add all those creamy ingredients, the evaporated milk, the sour cream, the cream cheese. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. All right, this is it, you guys. This is it. Of course, you can add more cheese if you want. You can always do whatever you want. You don't have to follow the exact same thing that I do, but this is it, you guys. Let me know if you're going to try this one out, because this one is really delicious. Give it a try. I'm sure the kids will love this. Okay, a perfect side for this one is some pork chops. I love pork chops, fried pork chops. So stay tuned. There will be another recipe coming your way, so stay tuned for that. This is it. Be sure you subscribe if you're new here. Subscribe, thumbs up the video if you like this recipe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.